Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. I was just looking at my hair. I'm thinking about changing it, maybe growing it nice and long. If only there was something to help me with that. Who could that be? Oh my gosh, my wish just came true. I need to open this straight away. And since you're here, let's get unboxing together. So today's wonderful package came from Oase. Oase is a producer of revolutionary vegan supplements that provide all of the essential nutrients for healthier, longer and better looking hair. They are hair vitamins that you can completely trust because they are made of 100% natural ingredients, and they are of course GMO free. Oase products combine natural vitamins, minerals, herbal extracts and amino acids to stimulate the growth of lush and healthy hair. This package is Oase's influencer box, and well, of course, you guys know I'm an influencer, or something like that. Anyways, let's get unboxing, shall we? For this packaging project, Oase needed two different types of packaging, product packaging and packaging for delivery. The box I'm holding is an eco-mailer box from Packhelp. This box is made of 90% recycled materials and the prints are made with a water-based black ink. Hashtag eco-friendly, my friends. This box is made with 3 layers of cardboard, which makes it a super sturdy box that will secure your products. Oase opted for a simple and elegant design, with the brand name on top of the box, their social media occupy one side, and a special message about the product is on the opening flap. It is also super soft to touch, which adds to the elegant feel they wanted to add. Such a thoughtful finish tremendously enhances the user experience. This type of box is perfect for shipping products. Once everything is packed, you simply place a sticker or tape to seal it, and off it goes. It's also an ideal choice to be used as packaging for special events or influencer campaigns, just like Oase did with this box. Let's open this baby up. Oh wow, check this out. It's all pink. I love pink. I'm already loving it. This is one of Packhelp's custom rigid boxes. It's a luxury box made from sturdy, rigid cardboard, perfect to showcase your products in a very elegant light. It's finished with chalk paper lamination, which gives it that soft and elegant feel to touch. Plus, with the soft pink colour, it looks super delicate, but strong. Just like their mailer box, Oase made their rigid boxes with a simple and fancy design, adding the logo and product name at the front. Made with embossing, which is what gives it that texture when you touch it. On the back though, Oase added these, I want to say, royal-like features to their box. As you can see, we've got 3 symbols made with gold hot stamping. They represent the unique value propositions from the brand, them being vegan and halal products, and a Swiss invention. When we open the box, oh gosh, it's so pretty. Here we have the hair vitamins, and the bottle is fitted in to a special insert that secures it in place, and behind it there's a little pamphlet with all the nutritional information about the hair gummies. Gosh, I really want to try them and see the results. And there you have it. That's it for today. If you like this unboxing video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss any unboxing surprises. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.